Private equity people keep talking about carry, waterfall, European, American. But what does all this actually mean? Today, I'm going to explain it in the simplest way possible. So even if you are new to fund accounting, you will get it instantly. Carried interest, or simply carry, is the GP's share of the profits. It's not the salary, it's not a management fees. It's basically a reward GP earns only if the fund performs well. Think of it like this. Investors put the money, GP manages the money. If the GP does a great job and the fund makes a profit, the GP earns a share of those profits, usually around 20%. But the GP doesn't get this 20% immediately. The LPs must first get their investor capital back, their preferred return, which is usually 8%, and any other priority returns given in the fund document. Carry will start only after that. So carry basically aligns both sides. If investors win, the GP wins. Now let's talk about how this profit is actually distributed. The first structure is the European waterfall, also called as total return. In this method, the fund looks at the performance across the entire fund, not just deal by deal. So the GP gets carry only after all LP's capital is returned, full preferred return is paid, and any other LP's priorities are satisfied if applicable as per the LPA. After all of this, the GP gets the catch-up phase and then they get the carry. It's considered very LP friendly because the GP earns carry only after the fund as a whole proves profitable. This reduces the chances of clawback later. Now the opposite approach, the American waterfall, also called as deal by deal waterfall. Here, profits are distributed deal by deal, meaning if one investment sells early and generates profit, the GP can receive carry from that deal immediately, as long as LPs have gotten their capital back for that specific deal and usually the preferred return for that particular deal. This gives the GP faster access to carry, but there is a catch. If later any deal underperforms, the GP may owe money to the LPs through clawback. That's why American waterfall is seen as more GP friendly, and LPs usually protect themselves with holdbacks or escrow accounts. If you want to understand the complex fund accounting concepts in a simple way, follow me now. I will break it down step by step.